Insight presents In the Kitchen with Inspired Nutrition by Kelley, brought to you by Fresh Thyme.
Hello, or should I say Giawich, which is actually hello in Irish. Today I'm going to show you a twist on a traditional Irish dish. We have St. Patrick's Day coming up, and I know we love Reubens. I know I do. So I'm going to show you a healthy way to make a beautiful Reuben. What I'm doing right now is I'm spreading on some of this Russian dressing that I made. This is just my homemade Russian dressing using some Greek yogurt. You have to check that recipe out. So what I've done here is I've just got some beautiful rye bread that I picked up from Fresh Thyme. They make the most beautiful breads there. And I sliced it up, this rye bread, and I threw it into the oven for about 10 minutes and just got it nice and toasty. Put some of my dressing on here. And what I'm gonna do is dress it with some beets. Instead of a corned beef, we're gonna use beets. Now I know that sounds a little odd, but they're so delicious. I really think that you'll like them if you try them. So let me tell you what I did with these beets is I just got them home, I cleaned them up a little bit and cut off the green part. Now cutting off the green part is going to help keep some of the nutrition like within the beets so that it doesn't run out. So you want to cut those up and clean them up, and then you just simply wrap them up in foil with a little bit of olive oil for an hour and 15 minutes. When they come out, they're just ready to go. You peel the outside of them off and slice them up. So that's all I did here, simple and easy. So we have these, and we've put a little bit of coriander on them just for some added taste, and we're gonna use this right on our sandwich here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have to put down some cheese first, I think. So let's get our cheese all over here. This comes again from Fresh Thyme, wonderful. And they have all kinds of different cheeses that you can try there. And I'm just gonna try to get all this covered up here as much as I can. Okay, so we've got our cheese down there, and on one side I'm going to give us some sauerkraut. Sauerkraut's wonderful. It's fermented, it's good for you, it's tasty, and it's festive this time of year, right? So we've got that side, and then on the other side I'm gonna place my beets. Just like that, beautiful. And then I'm gonna throw these back in the oven for a couple of minutes and let them get toasty. Okay, so I have my beet sandwiches here out of the oven, and what we're gonna do is just grab these and sandwich it together here, just like this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. Oh, this is so nice, and it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. These beets are so fantastic for you. They're great at lowering blood pressure. You can actually find them in 3 different places at Fresh Thyme. You can find them in the health food aisle. You can find them with the other greens. They're just fantastic. So it's a little messy, but I think that that's okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So good. And you're getting so much added nutrition with this. Now, if you really want to get back to the traditional Reuben, of course you can go to Fresh Thyme, and they have the best ones already made up for you and all the ingredients that you need there. So you can try that as well. So thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great day. Thanks so much.